gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right. Carefully step onto the snowmobile and take your seat. Once in place, pull down on the line harness, ensuring it is properly closed and close to your body. When your expedition leader approaches, please sit upright with your back against the seat so they may check your harness. For those of you in line waiting to board a snowmobile, please make sure you stand behind the yellow line and be mindful.
I always forget how steep these seats are. They're very deep seats. My arms get tired. Coldest place on earth.
Time to explore the coldest place on earth.
I could definitely see a couple of things. Now it actually makes sense why the entire train kind of lags on the first launch, because they wanted to wait for the entire train to engage with the launch before shooting it up. Pretty interesting detail.
As you fly to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right.